With Sellercloud, you can manage both your domestic and international Amazon accounts. Sellercloud integrates with Amazon via API. You must fetch the Seller Partner API token to enable this account integration. This will let you post products, update inventory and price, download orders, update tracking, download reports, settlements, and more. Once you have your merchant ID and marketplace ID, you can go in Sellercloud and finalize your Amazon integration. Go to Settings, click Companies, and select a company. Go into the Toolbox, select Amazon, and edit the general settings. Click Edit. Click on Amazon Enabled. Enter the Amazon Seller ID into Merchant ID field. Add your Amazon Marketplace ID and click Save. Click the shield icon to authorize Sellercloud. Enter the Amazon account. Once it's successfully retrieved, the fields will automatically populate. This token will refresh on its own as needed.